Welcome, everyone. Let's jump in. Many business leaders today get overwhelmed thinking AI is all about deep math, neural networks, and complex equations, right?
Yeah, absolutely. They're often left wondering if only scientists or PhD folks can really get behind it.
Exactly. But here's the catch. Organizations don't need to master the math. It's more about how to use the AI tools already available. Think of it as working with a powerful engine without having to know every nut and bolt.
Yep, indeed. So then the real challenge isn't building AI from scratch. It's applying it effectively, right?
Right on. In fact, there are three main areas to focus on. First, implementation, using AI for things like analyzing information, drafting reports, and even supporting research.
Hmm.
Then, governance and
Ma.
safety, ensuring intellectual property is secure and control is maintained. Lastly, the tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Microsoft Copilot, which already make powerful AI capabilities accessible.
I get that, but don't you think that sometimes downplaying the need for understanding the tech might miss an opportunity for deeper innovation?
I see your point, and sure, a deeper grasp can spark innovation. However, most organizations are more focused on leveraging existing technology effectively than reinventing the wheel. It's like hiring a seasoned consultant rather than learning how every tool in the
Yep,
toolbox
got that.
works.
That makes sense. So if you're a leader, the key is knowing how to guide these tools.
Exactly. And a critical component here is what we call prompting. AI only works as well as the instructions we give it. A simple framework works wonders. Specify a role for the AI, lay out the context, define your objective, and detail the output
Yeah,
format.
precisely. So it's almost like training the tool to understand exactly what you need. Think, hey, AI, act as my assistant and help draft this report with all the relevant details.
Exactly. This approach transforms AI from an intimidating black box into a partner that enhances productivity and strategic decision making.
Absolutely. It really makes AI accessible. Instead of diving deep into complex equations, leaders can focus on implementation and responsible use.
Right. AI is ultimately about practical, responsible leadership. The idea is to use these tools to get better insights and clearer visibility while ensuring humans are still in control. It's like using a high performance calculator without needing to understand every calculation behind it.
Spot on. I can see how that approach demystifies AI for a lot of busy leaders, making it a real asset rather than a technical hurdle.
Absolutely. Remember, the math and deep theory behind AI will be handled in research labs. For most organizations, the opportunity lies in smart, practical application. And for those interested in diving a bit deeper, there's a short article out there with more detailed insights.
Right on, indeed. Great talk today. It's refreshing to see AI positioned as a tool that enhances what we already do, instead of something only for tech experts.
Exactly. Thanks for the conversation. It's all about clear thinking, responsible leadership, and practical innovation. Thanks for tuning in, everyone.